When you're looking at these counters, start in one area. Top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right, the center, the first row or the first column. Select where you want to allow your eyes to travel. And we would encourage you to maintain that pattern for continuity, for strengthening your powers of observation. If in exercise 1 you look on the left side, and then on exercise 2 you look on the right side, and then on exercise 3 the top, exercise 4 the bottom, exercise 5 the center, exercise 6 back to the top again, you're not establishing a pattern in your mind, and your mind needs a pattern. So choose, you don't have to be rigid, but select the area you wish to start looking at and try to maintain that pattern.